Okay, having a look at another factorising video now, just looking at some of the common patterns that we can look for when we're factorising. So we've got x squared minus 9. Now that pattern is going to be the difference of two squares. So we can write our x squared minus 3 squared, and that tells us we're going to have x plus 3 and x minus 3. Because our pattern for difference of two squares is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So knowing that pattern, we're looking for two things that are squared, that are being taken away. That's the difference part. And then we identify which are the two items being squared, and that goes into our brackets with 1 plus and 1 minus. Having a look at the next one, it doesn't quite fit the difference of two squares, but I'm going to try taking a common factor out. So I can put 2 outside of x squared minus 25, and now it is in the pattern of difference of two squares because I have x squared minus 5 squared. So I can then write that as 2 outside of x plus 5, x minus 5. So that's my factorised version of that. Having a look at the next type, it's not a difference of two squares, and I don't want to have to go into trying to solve it as a quadratic because I can see that I have a pattern here which is called my perfect square. Now when we have a perfect square, it's a plus b all squared, and that equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So looking at this one that I've got here, my x squared is like my a squared, my 4 squared, like 4 is the same as 2 squared, so that's my b squared, so my b is 2. So in the middle, I've got 2 times x, which is 4x. So it fits the pattern, which means I can go to this part here, and because I've said that a is x and b is 2, I just write x plus 2 all squared. For my last one, I'm going to look for a common factor first because I've got even numbers here. So I'm going to take out 2 outside of x squared plus 6x plus 9. And now looking at that, I've got a perfect square again. So I've got x squared here, and I've got 3 squared on the end. And in the middle, I've got 2 times 3 times x, which is my 6x. So I can then put that into my perfect square pattern, which will be x plus 3 all squared. Hope that's helpful.